Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to look at how a metal frame outdoor kitchen gets built. Now, you have seen in some of my previous videos all kinds of different kitchens that were built using a typical CMU block method, kind of like this one. This one is built with CMU block as the substructure for it, and then it was covered with stucco with the nice tile and granite top. Really looks beautiful. But today we're going to look at how a metal frame, also known as a modular kitchen, gets built. And of course, the best way to do it is to start with the design. Now, there's a lot of barbecue guys out there that actually do these, and the nice thing about them is that they are installed pretty darn quick because they prefabricate the frame in their shop and then just kind of bring it in. Now, even though it's prefabricated, they're still going to have to do some custom cuts. Notice along that back wall there, they had to make some alterations to the frame to account for the various utilities coming into the kitchen area. But still, it's a really nice aluminum frame. It goes in quickly, gets bolted together once they have firmly established that it's nice and level. Really important that it's nice and level. Once the frame is installed level and secure, then it's time to put on the backer board or cement board, depending on where you live. And so this is an important material that basically goes over the metal frame. It's the skin of the barbecue, and from that, the facade or stucco will be attached to it. So they install this, get screwed in. Notice that there's a special edge. So when they did this barbecue, they put an edge along the top counter so that the counter would just hang over just a teeny bit. It's just a little detail these guys did a really great job on. Once that's in place, then they're going to go ahead and add all the drawers to kind of, frame out those little openings. And once that gets done, then it's time to start decorating. So this particular one had a wonderful stack stone facade from MSI here locally in San Diego. And by the way, check out the video description for a list of all the vendors that built this particular barbecue. If you are in the San Diego or Southern California area, these guys do really solid work. Anyway, the facade panels, and they are these little 8-inch by 18-inch panels, get mortared in place and pieced together. And by the way, these panels do also come with corner pieces. So it's really important that if you're doing a facade like you see there, you have a nice corner piece in as well. Once all that's in place, then it's time to do the tile top. Did a nice porcelain tile top on this. And by the way, hit that like button if you're enjoying this really quick video on how this is all put together. Now, they also added a nice backsplash, and then once all that's in, then it's time to actually add the appliances. You want to wait till the very last minute to do that because you don't want to drop any of this material on those appliances. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks to Barbecue Outlet and Unique Landscaping for the great work on this particular project. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to get more of these garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.